Namaste everyone, welcome to Amako Kitchen. In today's video, Amma is going to show you how to make fish pakhoda. They are a fun, bite-sized snack, so continue watching to find out more about this recipe. For this recipe, we will need 3 medium-sized onions, 1 medium-sized potato, some coriander and garlic leaves, mustard greens, 130 grams of ground flour, oil for frying, salt as per your taste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, half a teaspoon of ajwain, half a teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, and 225 grams of keski fish. Start off by grating the potato. Slice the onions into thin pieces, make sure to separate them into individual pieces afterwards. Then insert the 2 ingredients into a large mixing bowl. Followed by all of the following ingredients mentioned at the start of the video as demonstrated. Use a sieve when adding the flour. The spices are going in next. Now marinate all of the ingredients together. Now it's time to fry the pakhoda. Scoop up a small piece of the mixture and gently roll it into a small bite-sized ball and place it in the preheated pan with oil to fry. Continue to repeat this simple step. You will need to fry in a medium heat until the pakhoda has turned into a golden brown colour. In between frying, roll over the pakhoda so that it is cooked evenly on both sides. Now that the pakora is cooked, lift them from the pan and let the oil drip before placing it in the drying station. I decided to take a bite whilst Amma was cooking. This piece of pakora was straight out of the frying pan, so it was still quite hot. The insides looked so colourful and packed with flavour, which it definitely was. Once the pakora is ready, you can serve on a plate with a dipping sauce of your choice. We had ours with sweet chilli sauce and I highly recommend this combination. This is a perfect snack to serve your guests as an appetizer. It's light and crunchy and you'll definitely want to have more than just a few bites. And that is all for today, folks. Thank you for watching this video and we will see you in the next one. Bye!